Church, this year we're going to be trying to do some more events for men specifically to connect you guys together. And so your first event's going to be happening this month on the 26th of February at the Ha'penny Green Golf Club. So it's actually foot golf. Have you ever heard of it? Me neither. But you're going to be doing that. It's only £10 per person. You can pay on the day, but just let us know if you want to come and sign up on Church Suite, or just let us know by messaging in the group chat for men. But if you're not in there and you want to get connected, just call our office, let us know, and we'll get you connected in.
For freedom. Yeah. We've not been given a spirit of fear. We actually...
Ladies, this one is for you. Our next devoted event is happening on Saturday, the 6th of March, and you're invited. And you can also invite a friend along, so do spread the word a little bit. But we're going to have pizza, games, and lots of fun here. So you can book in for this via Church Suite or our website, and it's only £8. So make sure that you come along, get yourself booked in, and why not invite a friend too? But ladies, it's just for us lot, so it's going to be fun. For those of you who are booked in for Strength Will Rise in the summer, this is just a little friendly reminder that your payments will be due on the 6th of March. And I can tell you exclusively, there are a few spaces available if you haven't yet booked on. So if you are interested in still coming, just get in touch with us and let us know. And if you have any problems with these final payments that are due on the 6th of March, just give us a call and we'd love to chat with you. Just so that you know, our Marriage by Design course, the dates have changed slightly. We've had to push it back to the 7th and the 21st of May. So if you are looking to take part in that course and you're planning to get married, then do make a note of those dates in May so you can just sign on and attend those. But that's all for Excel News. But don't forget, this week we have got Bible study here at Excel Church, where my brother Adam will be the guest speaker, who will be looking at the book of Exodus, which is exciting. So make sure you turn up for that at 7:30 on Wednesday. And have a great week, guys.